So today I came across this video where Boromir dies. And I'm very interested in the music because I also wrote a piece about someone dying. While Boromir is dying, the music is filled with dramatic shrieks.
My captain. My king.
As he's taking his last breath, the music calms down to a single high note. I actually had a similar approach to this situation. In my story, I also used tragic strains. But as the man died, it didn't quiet down completely. This is because he's a character in the fantasy world Soul Atlas. There, after a brief moment, his soul rises from his dead body. Therefore, after he died, the music faintly continued and finally features an ascending flute, symbolizing the soul of the man.